Hi guys, and welcome to 3D Space in After Effects. This is gonna be pretty interesting. If you want to follow along with me, please open the file Intro to 3D. I hope you have already downloaded all your project and asset files. Within this file Intro to 3D, you have the composition Intro to 3D. Please open it and you can see you have two text layers. I'll be using these text layers to demonstrate to you how 3D work just in the beginning. Later on, we'll move on to more interesting graphics. You know very well that when you create any layer in After Effects, it is initially in 2D. You notice that the anchor point here has only two coordinates, that is the X and Y. You know, this is X and this is Y. And of course, the position and the scale also have two coordinates. Rotation has one coordinate, which means the angle and the number of rotation that you want to have here. I will undo both. Now you can switch any layer to 3D. So you can switch it on and off to 3D by using the switch just over here. If you click, the cube will come over here and you notice here you have 3D layer, and this layer now is in 3D. Let's do the same for the next layer. Okay, now they are both in 3D if you notice. Let's have a look at what happened. First of all, you have an active camera. This is a fictive camera that After Effects has created for you to see the 3D elements. And later on, you will learn how to create a camera within your composition. The renderer here, make sure it's classic 3D. If you click on it, you will notice that the renderer is classic 3D. You can change to Cinema 4D or Ray Trace 3D. We'll see that later on. But for now, make sure that you have selected classic 3D. So you have an active camera and the renderer is classic 3D. Let's notice exactly what happened to the layer here. These are the transformations. Now, the anchor point, position, and scale have now three coordinates. The X, here, over here, you know how to move it in X. And then we have the Y, which is up and down. And you have the Z. I will explain this in detail later, which means towards the camera is getting nearer to the camera or away from the camera, as simple as this. Position, scale have three coordinates also. Now the rotation has turned into four properties. You have the orientation, the X, Y, Z rotation. We are going to work on all of them. Now that you have your layers in 3D, we want to work on the workspace. We'll see that in the next lecture.